At the top of the food chain sat the
That already got wet.
apex predator of the deep.
You are clear for entry.
Splash around in the water. You may even see our new big Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family.
Video!
In a moment, you will be entering Predator Cove, home to some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures.
Hold all boats in safe zone.
Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please.
Security team is deployed. They will get you.
Listen to me. Do not panic. If you can see me, I need you to keep your hands inside the boat. The slightest movement will set these animals off.
That's it? Not nearly as exciting.
Come on over. We gotta save the day. So Blue is trying to assert dominance. You need to show her you're in charge.